Students, today we are starting with your new chapter, that is the conic section, in which we have to do the subtopic, that is the circles. Now, what is circle here? How can you define a circle? Actual circle is a set of points which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स का सेट ग्रुप जो एक फिक्स पॉइंट से कैसे हो, they are at equal distance from that point is known as circle, and that fixed point is known as the center of the circle. Set of point is also known as the locus of points. So this is a fixed point. There are so many points on this path which are at fixed distance from this point. ठीक है, distance of all points on this path from fixed point is known as radius, and this fixed point is known as the center of the circle. Now, equation of circle with center, if you say h and k, is given by x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where r is radius of circle. Now, if center is at origin, that is value of h and k is 0, 0, then equation of circle becomes, so equation of circle with center 0, 0, that is origin, and radius r is given by x square plus y square is equal to r square. Moreover, general equation of circle, the equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx 2fy plus c is equal to 0, where center is given by minus g minus f, and radius is given by g square plus f square minus c. You don't have to apply this, so I am rubbing it, so don't apply it here. That's general equation of circle. Now we have to perform the questions based on this. Let us see your exercise given on this concept. See the example number 1. It is given and find the equation of the circle with center 0, 0 and radius r. I have already written, लिख चुके हैं. Equation circle center is at minus 3, 2, and radius is 4. Therefore, center HK is minus 3, 2 and r is equal to 4. The equation of circle is x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square is equal to r square, that is x minus minus plus 3 whole square, y minus 2 whole square is equal to square of 4. You can expand it, x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y is equal to 16, x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y 13, and which minus 3 is equal to 0, of the same form as it is in x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. That is a general equation of the circle. See the example 3 here. Equation of circle given is, it is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 8 is equal to 0. It's x square plus 8x, y square plus 10y minus 8, 0. We have to make the form of x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square is equal to r square, so as to find the center and the radius of the circle. For this, we apply the completing square method here. First of all, we have to see the coefficient of x square, it is 1, so we don't require to divide and multiply by that. The second step, we have to see the coefficient of x, that is 8 here. So half of the coefficient of x becomes 4. 8x, it becomes square of 4. Here y square plus 10y. Same here, the coefficient of y is 10, half is 5, adding square of 5. As we have added, we have to add on the both sides just to balance it. दोनों तरफ ऐड कर देंगे. So we added square of 4 and square of 5 on the both sides of the equation. It becomes x plus 4 whole square, y plus 5 whole square, 16 plus 25 plus 8, x minus minus 4 whole square. It becomes y minus minus 5 whole square. 24 is 49. So x minus minus 4 whole square, y minus minus 5 whole square, it is 49 the square of 7. On comparing with x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Center h k is equal to minus 4 minus 5 and radius r is equal to 7. Clear? See the example number 4. Find the equation of circle which passes through the point 2, minus 2 and 3, 4 and center lies on the line x plus y is equal to 2. We take some any point 2 minus 2 on it, any point 3, 4 on it, and the center lies on the line x plus y is equal to 2. Center is represented generally by the h and k. So let center of circle be hk. So equation of circle is x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square is equal to r square. These 2 points are lying on the circle. So point 2 minus 2 and 3, 4 lies on circle. Therefore, x minus 2 whole square, y plus 2 whole square is equal to r square when we place the value of x and y as minus 2 and plus 2, not h and k. It becomes minus 2 minus h whole square minus 2 minus k whole square. Placing the value of x and y as 2 and minus 2. And on 3 and 4, 3 minus h whole square, 4 minus k whole square is equal to r square. Solving first and second, we get 2 minus h whole square minus 2 minus k whole square is equal to 3 minus h whole square, 4 minus k whole square. Now expanding it, 4 plus h square minus 4h, 4 plus k square plus 4k, 9 plus h square minus 6h, and (16) plus k square minus 8k, k square and h square get cancelled, minus 4h plus 6h 2h, 4k plus 8k becomes 12k, 25 minus 8, 2h plus 12k is equal to 17. That is one of the equation here. Now also center lies on center hk lies on x plus y2, therefore h plus k is equal to 2. or you can take k is equal to 2 minus h. This is the fourth equation, this one is the third equation. Solving third and fourth, 2h, 12 times of 2 minus h on substituting the value of k in the equation 3 is equal to 17, 2h plus 24 minus 12h minus 10h minus 7. So h comes here 7 upon 10 by 4th. K is equal to 2 minus 7 upon 10. K is 13 upon 10. Now we have to find the value of r here. So placing the value of h and k in one of the equations to find the value of r, either in this equation or in this equation, किसी में भी रख के चलते हैं. हमारे पास वैल्यू थी ना. So by first क्या लिख सकते हैं, 2 minus 7 upon 10 whole square minus 2 minus 13 upon 10 whole square is equal to r square. 10, 20, 13 upon 10. It's 20 and 13, 33. 169 and 33, 60. It's 918, 1089 upon 100 is equal to r square, 18. And 1, 16, 14, 15. That is r square here. So equation of required circle is क्या थी, x minus h whole square y minus k whole square r square. तो placing the value of h here, x minus 7 upon 10 whole square, y minus 13 upon 10 whole square is equal to 1258 upon 100. That's the equation of circle. So based on these examples, you can solve the questions. I will solve 1 or 2 more questions which are slightly different from these concepts in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.